Yes. Hello. What is the answer? Brinda? Chandana? Khalid?
Sir, I am calculating, sir.
Okay.
103.30 mm square, sir.
103. What about other value? You'll get two values, right?
Sir.
Innೊಂದು value ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತು ಸಚಿನ್?
471.596.
Okay. So all of you got the answer?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So which one you are going to consider now? You have to consider which value? $4,000 or 103? Sachin? Okay, you have to consider the least value among these two. Okay.
103.
Yes. So take down AST minimum. So this is as per the codal provision. Okay. AST minimum is equal to 0.12% BD. So what about beam?
4%, sir.
Yes, good. 4% of BD. Okay. Even in competitive exam, they will ask these things. Like AST minimum for beam is how much? Okay, and similarly for AST minimum for slab. Okay, for slab it is 0.12% BD. Suppose if it is HYST bars, you have to consider 0.15%. Okay, so AST minimum will be 120 mm square, right?
Yes, sir.
Now you have to compare with AST minimum. So when you compare AST with AST minimum is greater than the AST. Therefore, you have to provide the minimum AST for the reinforcement. Okay. Now you have to calculate the spacing. Spacing, you have to assume 10 mm diabar. So spacing of 10 mm diabar is equal to small AST divided by the capital AST into 1000. Suppose if you want reinforcement, this will be reverse case. But here in slab, you are not going to calculate the number of reinforcement. Is it clear? So when you give the spacing, you will get the number of reinforcement, right? Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So it will be pi d square by 4 divided by AST. You have to consider the AST minimum, that is 120. So into 1000. So what will be the spacing? So we'll get 654. Are you getting the answer?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So as per the coded provision, the maximum spacing is the least of the following. Okay. So first condition is 3 into D. So D is nothing but the depth, effective depth. So it is 100. So first condition is 3 into D, and second condition is 300 mm, and the third condition is the spacing which you have calculated. Okay, among these three you have to consider the least. Which is the least? 300 mm, right? So therefore you have to provide 10 mm dia at 300 mm center to center. Okay, is that clear? So this is for the main reinforcement. Any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, next, distribution reinforcement. Take down next side heading, distribution reinforcement. As you know, AST minimum is 120 mm square, which you have calculated. So spacing of 8 mm dia here, always for the distribution you have to take lesser dia. So here I have assumed 8 mm dia bar. Okay. So now you have to calculate the spacing for that. So how much is the spacing? Hello.
418.87.
8, sir. Yes, sir. Same answer.
Okay. So it is 4 on 8.9. Okay. Next. So for distribution reinforcement also there is a condition for spacing, maximum spacing. So the condition says least of the following. One is the 5D, and second condition is 450 mm, and third condition is the spacing. Among these three you have to take the least. So which is the least? 4 on 8, right?
Yes.
Okay, so instead of 4 on 8, you can take 410 or 400 mm. Okay, take down. Therefore, provide 8 mm dia at 450 mm center to center. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt in understanding these steps?
No.
No, sir.
Okay, so I'll continue in the next class. Okay, see you in the afternoon class. Okay, and don't miss the classes. Okay, because from January you'll be having the offline exam. I think this one timetable has been shared. Okay. So I'll see you in the afternoon class. Okay. Bye.
Thank you.
Bye, sir.